Clean a pool. Oh, what bliss is a pool on a summer's day! But is your pool a safe place, or will it give you more than you bargained for? It could. A lot of infections, if it has not been on a good maintenance routine. Keeping your pool clean and safe would make that dip hazard-free and end up being the enjoyable experience it should be. Follow the instructions listed below to clean your pool. Let's get started. Step 1. Tile cleaning has two aspects: the removal of the streak formed by the accumulation of grime, all lotions, and other skin applications, and the removal of the deposit formation or lime scale due to the hardness of water. Dirt line can be removed by brushing the dirt line with tile cleaners specially meant for this, while using a pumice stone is a good way to tackle the hard water deposits. Unless this brushing and cleaning is regularly done, the deposits and dirt can become stubborn streaks of algae and dirt. While brushing, ensure that pump is at maximum suction and the brushing is from the dirt line towards the deep end and the main drain. Some algae and dirt also beat a path directly from grassy and green pathways to the pool. Keeping your pool surroundings tiled or the greenery trimmed clear off the path will help. Step 2. Surface cleaning. Confirm that the skimmer, weir, and the filtration system are working fine. If there is no skimmer weir in the pool, all the surface cleaning will have to be done manually, a leaf net being an ideal device for collecting and removing all drifting leaves and other foreign objects. Using a rake helps in gathering the muck on the surface. All the collected debris should be bagged and trashed, as dry debris lying around will find its way back when it's windy. Squeezing some tile cleaner all along the pool will make any surface froth gather at the pool edges, making for easier cleaning. If the pool is located in an area which collects a lot of rubbish, then it may be necessary to check if this has also piled up at the pool bottom. If yes, remove with a leaf bagger or leaf net. An alternative is to fix, to the suction hose at the skimmer, a leaf catcher during vacuuming. Ensure that the water level is always at the skimmer level and never below. Step 3. Regular inspection. Ensure that you inspect and clean the skimmer basket daily and the pump strainer basket weekly, so that filtering and suction runs properly. Step 4. Examine, clean, tune and recharge the filter so that it works at its optimum efficiency. Check the starting pressure levels and the suction strength, which are the indicators for a service. While servicing, ensure that all parts of the filet are also fine and working well. The pump also needs to be serviced regularly. Step 5. Vacuum the pool weekly once at least. increasing the regularity in windy weather. Keep in mind that the vacuum hose has to be cleared of any air before attaching to the suction point. Vacuuming to waste, through a setting on a multiport valve, is the most efficient cleaning method in situations where there is larger piling of debris, but this will also increase the amount of water spent. Step 6. Clean the decking area. Use a high-pressure cleaner along with a 5% chlorine solution is also necessary to eliminate bacteria and check infection. Prior to moving the cover, ensure that almost all the dirt from the deck and cover is cleaned and the cover is neatly kept in a clean area. Step 7. Proper storage of tools. A mechanic is only as good as his tools. Store your tools and accessories as recommended in the manual and away from direct sunlight. After all that work, the pool is now ready for you, and that first dip will make all your cleaning efforts worthwhile. The rest of the swim is just the icing on the cake.